Hey, Sean Armstrong here. There's few things in this world a man can depend on. His dog, his truck, and his Scotch professional grade vinyl electrical tape. For the most critical tasks, Scotch professional grade vinyl electrical tapes are man's best friend for getting the job done right the first time. With their freakishly strong adhesion and legendary durability, these tapes make permanent jobs like insulating and protecting electrical connections last. And last, and last, and last. When the going gets tough, the tough get Scotch professional grade vinyl electrical tape. These tapes stick through pretty much anything man or nature can throw at them. Got a job to do in 0-degree temperatures? Well, get your mittens, because this tape's still sticking. It'll take the heat, even in temperatures that would make a lesser tape crack or unwind. Greater stretch and elasticity gives you a smooth, professional wrap. Even with something as simple as color coding, using a truly premium fade-resistant tape means you'll know which cable is which long after installation. And once it's wound properly, it stays wound. In your kind of work, you have to be prepared for anything. So why not use the tape that's as tough as you are? Scotch brand professional grade vinyl electrical tapes. Heroes to power cables, enemies to cold, heat, moisture, and the unceasing march of time. So trust Scotch professional grade vinyl electrical tapes for your critical jobs. Don't take my word for it. No, I'm just kidding. You really should.